everyone, it's Stephanie here, and for today's video I'm just going to be giving you a quick 6-month update on how my experience with my Dermadry machine's been going. So like I said, 6 months ago Dermadry was so kind enough to send me their total Dermadry machine for me to test out and give my honest feedback. You can also see my unboxing of my Dermadry machine as well as my 1 month experience and what that was like 1 month in. So my Dermadry machine is for my hyperhidrosis, which I suffer under my arms. I think that's the axillary hyperhidrosis, which I have been suffering from for about 15 years, I want to say. I definitely was in high school when I started getting hyperhidrosis. And this machine has really been doing a number on helping alleviate my hyperhidrosis, and it's really brought the amount that I sweat down quite a lot. I know it can be kind of hard to tell because with the pandemic, working from home, I don't go out too often and I don't really have a need to wear like the fancy shirts that I was always concerned about with my hyperhidrosis. But I have found that when I have gone out, I really haven't been sweating, which that's a huge deal for me. Anybody with hyperhidrosis out there knows what that's like. So the biggest difference I would say from the 1 month to now being about 6 months into using the machine is that I realized I can increase the intensity of the machine and the treatment every time. So for about the first 6 weeks of using the machine, I was only at level 1, and for the underarm part, you can go from levels 1 to 7. Took me a real long time to realize that. Now that I've realized that there are multiple levels to use this machine, I have been slowly increasing what level I'm using. So I think I'm about 3 or 4 now, because you want to make sure that you can use the machine and you can tolerate the stimulating pulses without it being too painful for 15 minutes. If it's too much, then you have to turn the level down. So I just do what I can tolerate and then I'm good to go. And by doing that, I really have noticed what a difference it's making, even more so, just by increasing the level of intensity as my body starts to get used to the machine and starts to get used to the treatment. So if you feel like maybe your machine isn't working very well, see what level you have it on. If it's a really low level, that might be why. I think that's all in terms of my 6 month in. I mean, I definitely highly recommend this machine for anybody who suffers from hyperhidrosis. I was sent the total machine, which also comes with a hand and feet treatment, but because I don't have a sweating problem with my hands or my feet, I haven't used that part of the machine, so I can't speak to how well that part works. I can only speak to the underarm treatment, which is what I have been using for my problem area of sweating under my armpits. I hope you found that helpful. Again, if you are a bit unsure about the machine and you want a little more information, you can see my previous videos done about the machine with my unboxing and my 1 month in. Also check out Dermadry's website, which I will have a link for below in the description box. So I will see you next time. Bye!